Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off the Apply Palette Color Change to Icons function in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So where to look for our palette color options? First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we are looking for Wallpaper and Style menu. And here we have our color palette options. When we open this option right here, first we need to enable our color palette, of course, and then we have apply palette to app icons, so we can turn it on or off. And now we need to tap to apply, and that's basically it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.